Naubusan ko na Hey guys, good morning. It's another day today and another vlog for today. It's 10 degrees here in Tokyo and it is sunny weather. And for now, for this vlog, we are going to Asakusa Temple, Tsukiji Market, Tokyo Museum, Ginza, and a lot more. Alright, so let's go to Asakusa first. We're back here in the Sumida River, and in front of me right now is the famous Tokyo Skytree and the Asahi symbol. So, pakita ko sa inyo. So, ayun ang Tokyo Skytree. Yes, but we're not going there today. Maybe on some other trips na lang. Because we have a full itinerary in our trip right now. So, we'll skip that. That is something to come back. Alright. And then over there is the Asahi symbol. Later on, you'll see it more. Kasi papunta tayo ng Asakusa. And mas malapit yan doon. And this is the Sumida River. Galing mo, merong ano, parang cruise, parang spaceship po. Oh. It looks like a spaceship or something. But it's a boat yata. And these are some of the boat cruises. And dito sa gilid ng Sumida River, parang meron silang boardwalk here. And it serves as joggingan ng mga locals here, or even tourists as well. And there's a restaurant over there. Look at that. Oh, apartments and some restaurants. What $1 million view. Okay, so let's keep on walking and we're going to Asakusa Temple. Okay, here's a closer look at the Asahi symbol. Parang iba, para daw siyang tae. Para daw siyang poop. Itsura niya. Hindi pa go. Ang cute naman. Ano gusto ko tayo tanongin lang? Very touristy na. Ay, wow. Okay, so we're now here in front of the Asakusa Temple. So this is the Kaminarimon Gate, and there's a lot of people here right now. So I don't know kung paano tayo magpapapicture dyan. Daming tao, guys. Some are wearing kimono outfit. Galing. Selfie na lang. So let's go inside. So we were able to come here during the night during our first day here in Tokyo, because our accommodation is just very near here. So it's very peaceful during the night. And look at that, ang daming tao. There's an option for you to hire parang rickshaw. So it's 10,000 yen for 2 person, and they will tow you around the temple and the nearby tourist spots here in Asakusa. But we will not be availing that today because we opted to walk and to explore on our own. So let's walk towards the temple. See, there's a lot of people, and the cherry blossom aesthetics is so nice. The element added is very good. Mag-souvenir ka? Meron dito mga pastries, so pwede nyo na itong ipasalubong kung gusto nyo. 162 lang. Tapos yung parang pancake ni Doraemon, 170 lang. Ayun o. Masarap yan, natikman na namin. Ito mochi. Oh, pwedeng ano na guys, if you need credit card, you can also do it. What's this?
Sweet potato chip.
Potato chips. Potato chips. Oh. La potato chips. Eh. Oh. Mga normalang ano. Mga normal na chips katulad din sa atin. Hindi siya potato, kamote. Di ba? Sweet potato. Kaya sa sweet potato. Ito, maganda din pala mamili ng pasalubong na dito ng mga food items, no?
Yung tigano.
Ano to? 400 lang, oh. Ano ba to?
Ito nakapak na.
Kapak na, oh. Pwede yung bilhin. Lakad pa tayo. Malapit na tayo sa ano. Yun na yung ano, oh. Yun na yung main temple, oh. Ay, wow! Oh, our favorite. Strawberry mochi. Oh.
400.
Naalala niyo sa Osaka, kumain tayo niyan. 650. Ayun.
Stick na siya.
Oo, naka-stick na. Sorry. Titingnan ko lang. 650. Tara, lakad na tayo. Okay guys, konting push na lang. Ayan na tayo sa temple and sa pagoda. Konting-konti na lang. So, this is the temple during the night. The day pala, the day. Ibang iba siya sa gabi, no? So yung mga locals, yung mga Buddhists talaga, when they come to the temple, they're washing their hands. So you should wash your hands here. This is not for drinking, this is just for washing of the hand. So like that, they're washing their hands. Yeah, they're washing their hands. At this area naman, people are putting incense, and then you should feel the smoke in your face. I don't know what's that, but the locals are doing it like this one. So he's spraying with the incense, and then he will put it there, like what we did in Zengoji Temple in Nagano. And then look at that, ginagawa ng kid. They put the smoke in their face. And this is the main temple, and it's so crowded. So I bet we cannot use our camera inside. But there are people using their camera inside pala, oh. So this is the main temple. I think this is one of the most famous temple in Japan, because it's in Tokyo. Of all the temples that we visited, this is the most crowded so far. No? This is the most crowded here in Japan. So it's famous for this one, for this lantern, this big lantern in the gates and in front of the main temple itself. So let's try to go inside, and let's preserve our manners here. And let's check what's not prohibited and what is prohibited. So we just went outside of the temple. It's very crowded inside, and if you want to feel the serene vibe or peaceful vibe of a temple, don't come here. But if you just want to see Asakusa Temple, of course, do come here, because it's worth the visit din naman. But there are other temples that is much more beautiful and much more peaceful all over Japan, right? So we're just gonna explore around the temple and see what we can buy and what we can eat before we proceed to the museum. Okay, let's go. Right, so this is gonna be our last stop here in Asakusa. We will buy an ice cream. So here, I'll go for the special, baka kasama niya. Special matcha. And Lana will go for Sakura sa'yo. Sakura. Hi. Special matcha and Sakura.
Sakura and special matcha.
Yep.
1,000.
Yep.
Thank you. Hey, special matcha.
Arigato.
Next, Sakura.
Okay. Let's taste our matcha. Sorry, ito na lang. One thing about matcha ice cream here in Japan, you taste the matcha but you don't taste the bitterness. Ito ba? Ano flavor yan? Ano po? Saan siya gawa? Gusto ko siya. So, we'll just finish our matcha. And then, we'll not go to the museum pala because it's closed. We're going to the Tokyo Metropolitan Building. So, it's an overlooking building. It's a free observatory building. I think in Shinjuku area. Right? So, let's go! Gusto mo natin ito. Okay guys, so from Asakusa, we took the Ginza line and then the Toei subway. And right now, we're here in Tochome Station for the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building, and we're looking for exit A4 para doon na tayo diretso. Right, so let's go. So ito na yung exit A4. So it was mabilis lang yung biyahe. And should I say, mas komportable kasi very efficient talaga yung train station dito, and almost all tourist spots are connected with the trains, so hindi kayo mahihirapan. Kahit malalayo yung mga tourist spots dito sa Tokyo, it will be very convenient for you because of the subway station. Kaya kuha na kayo ng 72-hour Tokyo Subway Pass for 3 days yun. Sobrang sulit niya, and hindi na kayo maglo-load ng mga ticket, and makakatipid kayo. Kasi chinek ko siya, nakatipid talaga kami ng mga 1,000 yen sa fare lang because of that Tokyo Subway Pass. Alright, so punta na tayo doon sa Tokyo Metropolitan Building to check Tokyo City aerial view. Let's go! Alright guys, so we're now here in the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building. Ayan siya kataas. So saktong pagbaba namin ng station, andun na kami. So alamin natin kung nasa na observatory. You are here. Saan ba tayo pupunta? So let's just ask kung saan yung observatory dito. Pasok na lang tayo. Guys, din to libre din to. Itong observatory. Yes, attraction. We will see the city view of Tokyo, yung aerial. So tanong na lang tayo sa information kung nasaan ang entrance sa puntang observatory. Okay, let's enter. We're going to the 45th floor. So this is it. So this is the observatory. So you can rest here. So mamaya tayo pumunta sa mga gilid-gilid. And you have souvenirs and coffee shop here. Hmm? Okay, so let's go here. There's no people here. Oh! Tokyo Stadium. Wow. That's the Tokyo Sky Tree. Shinjuku Park ata ito eh. Shinjuku Park.
Maganda talaga paglalakad.
Hmm?
Pwede dapat ang picture pa.
Oh, diba? This is a nice view, and the best thing about this is it's free. So when the sky is clear, you can see Mount Fuji here. Diyan siya. So kung kita nyo yung parang form niya. We're done here in the Tokyo Metropolitan Building, and we're going to Shinjuku area to have our late lunch. Yes, it's late. Late lunch na pala, no? It's 1:45, and we're gonna have our lunch there, and after that, I think we're gonna switch our plans and we're gonna go to Godzilla Head. I don't think we're pursuing yung Tsukuji Market. No. So, tara, lunch muna tayo sa may Shinjuku area. We're not sure yet saan kami kakain, but we're just gonna find anything to eat doon. Sige, tara, let's go! So, by the way, Shinjuku is just 15 minutes by train from the Tokyo Metropolitan. So, we'll be using our Tokyo Subway Pass. Hi guys, so we just had our lunch in this local ramen stop in the heart of Shinjuku, and hindi pwede mag-video sa loob kaya hindi kami nakapag-video, and we're now looking for but before that, the ramen is so good. Ang sarap ng ramen niya. Lasang-lasa ko yung pork broth, kaya ito yung may video lang ako nung pagkain, pero we cannot vlog inside kaya wala tayong entry doon. So doon tayo pupunta, doon sa may Shinjuku, yung may arc na yun. Tapos from there hanapin natin si Godzilla. So let's go! Alam nyo, kayo lang may Shibuya Crossing, ha? Meron kaming Shinjuku Crossing. So, picture siya, oh. Okay, we are here in Kabukicho Street, and this is the way going to the Godzilla according to the Google Map. So may pinasok lang kaming parang shop, yung Alpico, dito lang sa tapat ng Kabukicho, and ang mura ng sapatos, super mura, parang less than 10,000 yen yung mga New Balance, mga ganyan. Hindi ko na video kasi na-amaze ako, pero hindi naman kayo bumili. For reference lang. So pwede rin yung puntahan pag nandito kayo sa Shinjuku area, just in front of Kabukicho Street. Let's go and check out Godzilla. So yun na guys, si Godzilla, oh. Kita niyo po si Godzilla, yan. So doon kayo pumasok kanina sa Kabukicho, kaya hindi namin makita. So dapat dito kayo sa kabilang side papasok, sa may donkey, at across the street para maganda yung kuha nyo. Ayan. Tapos dito, para din siyang Shinjuku, para din siyang Shibuya Crossing. Pero this one is Shinjuku Crossing. O, diba? We're still here in the Shinjuku area, and before we do some shopping and buy some stuff, we'll visit one of the famous spots here in Shinjuku. So we're going to Suba Shrine. So it is one of the scene of the hit anime movie Your Name. Hi guys, so we're now here in the Suga Shrine. So that's the shrine. Yan, so medyo mahina yung boses ko kasi bawal mag-ingay dito dahil this is a local community. Sana narinig niyo ako. So this is the famous spot of the hit anime series Your Name in 2016. So ayan yun. So this is the last scene. Kaya dyan sila nagtapos, di ba? So cool na makita yung mga ganitong spot dito sa Japan. So yan lang naman yung pinunta natin dito sa sa Suga Shrine here in Shinjuku area. And ayan, nagko-picture na kami nila nandito. Pasok lang kami sa shrine tapos babalik na kami ng Shinjuku to explore more Shinjuku area. Let's go. So hi guys, so we're now here in Shinjuku, and we just take a rest here in Giant 3D Cafe. So dito siya sa may Pusa, sa may Shinjuku. So sa the other end lang siya ng ng Godzilla, and magkakape lang tayo. Magkakape na tayo rather. Pahinga lang tayo before we go to Don Quixote, and we will see you later. Sige, so kape muna tayo. Dito kami sa may and mura lang yung kape dito. Parang itong kapeng to 400 yen lang, parang ganun, 400 yen. So pwede na for a Japan lifestyle. Alright, we're crossing Shinjuku, and that's Godzilla, guys. So that's Godzilla. And for this vlog, we're going here in Don Quixote. We'll explore Don Quixote and buy some stuff for ourselves and for pasalubong. So we're on the first floor, and there's a lot of Sanrio stuff here. There, 950 yen. Oh, we have some t-shirts. Ang daming dito Sanrio. Uy, ganda na to. This is nice. I like this.
1990. How much is that?
1990. 2,000 yen. O di lang. Tingin mo lang 380 times 2. 400. 800 pesos. I like this. Okay, sige, ikot pa tayo. Looking for this. Ito ba si for Pokemon stuff? Because one of my teammate is asking for a Pokemon stuff. Ito ba si Ito si Bulbasaur? Ito? Hindi ko man sila kilala. This is 1,780. Look, they also have this already. So we usually buy this in Thailand, in Bangkok. But they have this, yung menthol stick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 150 yen each. Yung without tax pa. Okay guys, so balik na tayo ng Asakusa kasi maliit pala yung donkey dito, and wala yung nahanap naming tissue na may powder. Kaya doon na kami muna sa Asakusa na donkey, and then we'll find yung ganong tissue sa mga drugstore na lang. Alright, so siguro ito muna for this vlog. Medyo mahaba na to, so we'll be doing a separate vlog for our donkey and pasalubong vlog. Bye!